Hello and welcome. In this video we're presenting another matter that concern your 13B. So this time we're gonna show you how an OMP oil lines look like after 70,000 miles or above. You could even see the signs of wear starting from 50,000 miles, or if you have a really overheating motor accident happened, this may really affect it the same way. So before we started showing you what kind of wear and tear that could happen to these lines, what do? They take the oil and or pressure from the oil metering pump. It's located on the left side of the motor if you're looking from the front, and it distributes that to the injectors. The injectors will spray that oil in the combustion chamber, and it will really help you maintain your apex seals from wearing faster. Any failure that happen on these lines could really cost you a lot of money. So it's like a must to check these every rebuild. So the first signs that you will see that these are getting bad is getting shrunk. These are very exposed to heat, and the first, it's so easy to tell that when you look at the line here and you look at it very close to the fitting, you'll see the difference in diameter, how it's small and goes there, it gets bigger. So you see how much you have this thing shrunk. Something else that may really occur, this one is so bad that one of the lines really melted, and of course that chamber didn't have oil. This has started a little bit but not really bad. And the third sign that you'll see on these OMP lines is they getting brittle, and without pulling or anything or twisting or doing anything, I just carrying the thing, and then this came apart without any problem. So don't ever forget these if you're building your 13B. It's a very important thing to check, and I would really recommend replacing them. So here is the issue: when you're trying to order new ones, they cost you about $220, and it's a little bit high for these lines, but that's what the market really offers, because these kind of builders and people, they don't build these motors often, and they're rare, so they're expensive, and that makes sense. We totally understand that. And so the solution here is to order PTFE lines. They share the same characteristics as the OEM lines. They will resist the heat and the pressure inside, and they will last longer. And also you're gonna have to order you don't have to replace the fittings, as they don't get cracked or anything, but you're gonna have to order also the clamps, and they're called ear clamps. And so the original ones are metric, and the ones that are available, we can really order them from MSC direct, I guess. They are a standard. So in another video I'll show you how we rebuild this, and I'll show you where I really found the informations about these in a forum. I probably put the link underneath the video, and we'll save a lot of money, because these PTFE lines will be like about $3.50 for per foot, and the clamps are just probably 50 or 60 cents. So the whole thing should not cost you like $30, $40, and it'll save you a lot of money. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you.